Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun shaker card. Gotta shake it. With the Peaceful Cabin bundle, which is part of the Peaceful Place suite in the July through December catalog, otherwise and formerly known as the holiday catalog. Here's the Peaceful Cabin bundle, which is part of the Peaceful Place suite. You can find the suite on pages 36 and 37 of the catalog. So you've got some lovely samples here, as well as the code for the whole kit, which includes the Peaceful Cabin bundle, the snowy white velvet paper. You get two 12 by 12 sheets. The timber embossing folder, which is a 3D embossing folder, so it's thick and it creates these nice deep grooves that look like wood grain or wood bark. And then we've got shimmer ribbon. I love this ribbon. Actually, it's glitter ribbon. It's got glitter in it. The white organdy glitter ribbon. You can see that right there. And my favorite, the subtle shimmer sequins that we're going to use in our shaker card today, as well as the Peaceful Place Specialty Designer Series paper. It has foil on one side and then a cute design on the other side. So lots of fun, different designs. And then the snowy tree design. All right, so to get started on this card, I have a smoky slate base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 and folded in half. And then I've got some of the DSP cut, one of the scenes, and it is 5 by 3 3/4. And you're just going to adhere this down flat. If you get your adhesive queued up properly. And we're gonna do all 4 sides on this one. And then place this in the middle. This is just gorgeous paper. Love it so much. Got the snowy mountains in the background. So we're going to put that aside and we're going to work on the front of the shaker card. So we've got a piece of the designer series paper, the wood grain, cut out with the largest and third largest stitched rectangle dies. And I've got a window sheet that is 5 by 3 3/4 that I'm going to adhere. And I'm going to use the regular seal. I'm just going to try to be very careful about my placement of the seal. You could use your silicone mat or a scratch piece of paper, which I think would be good so that you don't get adhesive on your surface. And sorry, I have the window open, so you might be able to hear some of the sirens outside. I don't know what that's about. But we just had some rain the past couple days, so it's been really nice and cooler, and we need the rain so badly here in California. So I'm hoping we'll have some more. Okay, so after you have adhesive on all 4 sides, nice and sticky, and you get it off your fingers, you can place the window sheet down and it should fit pretty perfectly. Nope, it's a little bit wide, but that's okay. We can trim that. Okay. So we can go ahead and you can use your scissors or a trimmer. I'm just going to use my scissors and just trim this away because I don't want to trim it too close to the stitching. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to get my little electronics wipe or eyeglasses wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe down the inside of the window sheet to get it nice and clean. And then I'm gonna use my favorite foam strips to make shaker cards. They make shaker cards and slider cards super easy to make because it's just one long strip of foam and you just lay it down. You can curve it. You can put it wherever you want. So it's really, really helpful in creating these kinds of cards. So make sure that's down nice and securely and really butt this up to the edge right there. We'll save that piece. Then we have another one here. And the last side. Okay, and then make sure this is tucked in really well too. All right, so that's the foam strips. And so now we've got this all ready. We've got it all cleaned. So now we can add, I'm gonna add some more trees in the background here. So I cut out these trees out of the silver foil from the dies. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of liquid glue on them since they're so skinny. Just a couple of dots of glue, dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Okay. All right. So I've got all my dots of glue and I'm gonna use my tweezers to pick these up. Maybe this way. And the largest one I'm actually gonna do over here. Well, maybe not. I'm gonna do it up here. It's gonna be floating, but I want it to be seen a little bit better. So I'm gonna put this one up higher. And then same with this one. It's just kind of floating. And then this one, put like there. Okay, so just gonna hold these down a little bit for the glue to work. And then I can add my subtle shimmer sequins. And since this is such a large shaker area, I can put a lot. I've been known to put too much. But I'm gonna do like 3 generous pinches of sequins here. Okay, so we've got our sequins, and so now I can remove the backings off of the foam strips. Ooh, sticky. All right, and then I can place this on top. So I'm gonna, ooh, yeah, there's gonna be some static. And that's okay. We wanna seal this up really well. And there's our shaker part. super duper fun. And I actually like it with the static because then they don't just all rest on the ground. They're kind of everywhere. And I like them to be everywhere inside the card, not everywhere outside of the card. So I'm gonna put that one away, and then we can clean the front of the window sheet. And now we'll add the little pieces in front. So I have embossed the trees and the cottage, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming because I just want the cottage, because I don't want to cover up all this pretty designer series paper. So I'm just gonna trim this all out. Cool. Okay, so that's that piece. And then I'm gonna trim this piece as well, but I'm just gonna do a little bit because I need something for the house to like adhere to. I'm just gonna do that much. And I think I'm gonna add dimensionals this time. So I'm gonna pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, and then we'll add our cottage right about there. Uh-oh, I need to move the cottage up here and then do some more trimming. Okay. And there's our embossed cottage and trees. Super cute. And of course, this is on dimensionals. So let's do here and here and here. Maybe one right there. Okie dokie. That's just gonna go right there on the side. So pretty. So another thing that you could do is you could cut the cabin out of the silver foil. Now that would be pretty to do that and just trim around there. Or you could add a little bit of color with the trees and do the trees in old olive. So it's up to you how you would like to make your card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the Peaceful Cabin bundle. Ooh, there's another sequin that escaped. I'm not gonna let it escape. I need all the sequins I can get. And so here's the bundle, and you'll get supplies for these 2 shaker cards, 2 bridge cards, and 2 spanner cards. So just go to my website and order the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code, and then email me and let me know that you would like the Peaceful Cabin card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on this Peaceful Cabin card, which is part of the Peaceful Place suite in the July through December holiday catalog. Don't forget to check out my other videos using this suite, as well as subscribing to my channel and clicking on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video tutorial so that you can check it out. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.